Okay, stepping up to a new purchase we got today. Looking at a Traeger Timberline 1300. Just wanted to welcome it to the Traeger family. Have a Traeger Ranger and a Traeger 70 Pro. So I'm just kind of doing an upgrade here. Thought things might work out a little bit better in the long run for bigger parties, things where I want to put more stuff on it, like pots, pans, maybe a griddle, so I can do some stuff on there while I'm actually smoking. So let's step in here and see what we got with our new purchase here. Going to do a little unboxing. Haven't done anything with it yet, but I am excited. Traeger just stepping up to the plate. Start here. I guess that's where we're going to start. Shelf. Something that the 780 doesn't have, but you can add on a front-facing shelf on there, which is a definite bonus. I haven't done it, but I can see where a lot of people would want that. I like to pour everything out of the bag. Set them down on the bags on the ground so they don't get scuffed up or scratched. While I'm unboxing everything else, good old instruction packet with the heat thermometer. Cutting board goes over the pellet hopper, stuff that I will use quite frequently. Keep these right over here. Got here. Christmas come early. Grip tray. Some really nice features on this one versus some of the other older models. Not that the 780 is an older model, still being made, still being sold. Great piece of equipment. I like to go bigger and better whenever I can. These are your leg side plates. Traeger, you gotta love it. Put your name everywhere. Definitely will make the trip to the recycling center with the cardboard. plastic, all the shipping. Support, all those look good. I'm just going to unfold the back here. Turn it on its side. Start assembling. Yeah, it's got a nice insulated steel, double side walls on everything. So in colder climates, they do make a insulated blanket for it, but I do cooking all the way out into the 20s, and I haven't had a need for it on the 780. But you know, if you're in Minnesota and you're at negative, you might want an insulated blanket. But right now, I'm happy with where we're at. I don't think I need it. I just bump the temperature up a little bit when I'm getting going. This should be all the hardware for it, this box. Handles, legs, wheels. You know, it looks somewhat intimidating at the store, but when you actually get it, most of the large components are put together. You don't have to put the auger in it. You don't have to put the pellet box on it. All that comes on it already, so everything's already pre-drilled. There's no drilling required. It's really just plug and play. When something wrong, it's not going all the way together. Oh, yeah. Wheels even come on it already. Nice wheels. Solid. Nothing going to go flat. They're going to last you a long time. These are all numbered. 6, 5, 'It's a great package of all the hardware. Comes with a really nice wrench, probably Traeger orange if I had to guess. Let's just open up some instructions here. The good folks have, gone through the trouble of printing them. Who am I to say that I'm smarter than they are? I don't need them. Oh, even better. Traeger sticker. That's going to go on the back of the pickup, or the boat, or the ice chest, or something that absolutely, screams Traeger. Looking forward to doing a lot of these videos coming up in the future. Letter from the CEO. Want to thank you for choosing Traeger and letting us into your backyard and making us a part of your family and neighborhood get-togethers. All right, let's crack the owner's manual. This is your first Traeger. Spend some time reading it. You've got multiple like I do. You pretty much are familiar with the operations. It's going to be a little bit different. This model here has super smoke, which is great. I think it's between 165 and 225. It'll put a lot of smoke out. But first thing we're going to do is season the grill. We're going to have to turn it on, plug it in, prime the auger, fill it with pellets. Probably fill it with pellets before you prime the auger, but hey, each his own. Just getting ready to prime the auger and fire it up and season it.
The Timberline 1300.
Alright, plug it in, fill the hopper, press the menu, auger, prime auger. So it's basically just going to turn until the actual pellets get down into the fire pot. You'll hear them starting to fall into the fire pot, and when you do, that's when the auger is pretty much primed.